Great starts lead to great finishes, and great finishes can lead to more great starts. Follow these tips and techniques to start strong, finish strong, and keep your business building. When it comes to great finishes, Level 5 is the best possible finish you can apply to drywall. It equalizes porosity so that your paint coat will be absorbed equally and smoothly. We'll show you two different methods for achieving a Level 5 finish: skim coat and spray-applied primer surfacer. But first, you need to prep to a Level 4 finish. Make sure your walls have no imperfections or tool marks, and that you've applied 3 coats of compound over all fasteners, tape, and bead. To achieve a Level 5 finish with a skim coat, start by mixing your all-purpose conventional weight joint compound with water until its consistency is similar to a heavy pancake batter. Roll the mixture onto the wall, making sure that the roller is well covered so there are no dry spots. Next, take most of the mud off with your knife. The goal is to leave only a thin film that will equalize porosity and wall texture. Be sure not to cover too much area at any given time, so that it doesn't start to dry before you can run your knife over it. As the mud dries, it'll become more opaque, leaving a nice consistent finish over the entire wall. Even though the wall will feel dry within a few hours, it's important to let the surface sit overnight and give it a light sanding before priming, then painting. A skim coat is the more traditional method of achieving a Level 5 finish. Because it can be time-consuming, it's generally preferred for smaller jobs or spot applications. Because it's essentially being completed with ready mix, it tends to leave a softer, less durable surface, and it tends to be the more porous of the two applications. For larger jobs, a spray application of a primer surfacer is the smarter method, because once the rig and sprayer start going, it's fast and easy to cover a lot of area. This process also results in a finish that's hard, making it more durable. Because it self-levels, you'll get a smooth finish that gives the appearance of higher quality without additional primer. To apply a primer surfacer with an airless sprayer, start by properly covering all windows and trim that you don't want sprayed. Then, wearing a mask or respirator, safety goggles and gloves, hold the gun perpendicular to the surface, approximately 18 inches away. Start your stroke off the surface you were targeting, and pull the trigger as the gun is moving. Move the gun parallel to the surface at a steady rate. While the gun is still moving, release the trigger as you approach the other edge of the target surface. This avoids excess buildup at the end of each stroke. Lap each stroke approximately 50% over the previous for uniform thickness. For the initial coat, spray from left to right and then crosshatch spray up and down as a double-up coat to provide a uniform appearance. You want the application to be between 18 to 20 mil thick because it'll shrink a bit when it dries, so it's always good to have a gauging tool on hand. The primer surfacer should be dry to the touch within 60 to 90 minutes, but let it dry overnight before painting. Remember, as with any power tool, please use caution and follow the manufacturer's instructions when disconnecting. While it's easy to apply, the spray application does require a little practice. Also, getting started requires the purchase or rental of professional spray equipment. Contractors usually find this expense is balanced out because the spray method is faster, the primer surfacer is more durable, and it self-levels for a smoother finish. For jobs where the lowest bid wins, spraying a primer surfacer can help increase productivity while still delivering a great final product. A Level 5 finish is usually required in administration or institutional buildings. It's also best when dark, satin or glossy finish or metallic paint will be used. And it's ideal for cathedral ceilings, two-story rooms, critical light conditions, and angle or track lighting. No matter the method, USG products can help you achieve the absolute best Level 5 finish. For skim coat applications, Sheetrock brand all-purpose joint compound provides excellent hiding properties. For spray applications, Tough Hide Primer Surfacer provides an easy-to-apply Level 5 wallboard finish with an enhanced formulation that delivers whiter and smoother results. A great finish means strong, beautiful walls that meet or exceed the spec without costing you too much time or money. Follow these techniques and you can be sure that your wall's great finish will lead you to another great start.